power corrupts. An absolute power. Well, that comes with a huge electricity bill, but at least you'd be an amperer. Call Scottsdale Electric, 480-750-9732, if you want to recharge your home or business today. Scottsdale Electric now offers its comprehensive range of 24/7 services, including inspection, repair, and lighting installation, in the greater Scottsdale area. The company also provides yearly maintenance services, focused on electrical panels, meter bases, and code compliance for homes and businesses. Click on the link in the description for more information.